In this video, I'm going to tell you the documents that you're supposed to take along with you on the day of your interview at the US Embassy, especially those of you who are going for B1, B2, and the other type of visas that you wanted to apply for from the US Embassy. I want to first of all let you know that these documents are very, very important for you, and you must take them along with you on that day to make sure that you did not omit anything. If possible, take extra supporting documents along with you in case such thing arise that they want to see it, because the opportunity you get that day to get that interview date is very important to you. Otherwise, when you miss that particular day, for you to get another interview date might take you a long time to achieve that. So it's always important that particular day, make good use of it to make sure that you secure your visa. So please, on the day of your interview, I want to let you know that it is more important that you focus on the visa officer than you focusing on the documents, because before you leave your house, you might have arranged your documents very, very well, knowing what they need. But I will also like to pinpoint why you are presenting or answering questions from the visa officer. Do not try to prove a lot of point. They may not ask you to present the documents you carry along with you, because cases are different. Your case may be different from another one's case. For example, if you are married, it is important that you go on the interview day with your marriage certificate. If you have kids, you also come with their birth certificate. Make sure that the surnames are tallied. If the surnames are not the same thing, get an affidavit that proves that these children are your own children. Prove it to them that it is you that have it. Take family photos that show you and your husband or husband and wife with your kids, even with your family members in dinner or maybe in a gathering where all of you are in your house playing, doing things to prove to the visa officer that this is my family and they are very dear to me, because these are one of those things that is the ties that you have in your own country that will convince them that when you go, that you will come back. Remember, some people might be asked to present this document, marriage certificate and birth certificate, when they apply. It is not what applied to Mr. Ken is what we apply to Mrs. Edith. Every cases are different based on the individual situation and the person who is interviewing you, what he will ask you or what she may ask you. These are the things you should put into consideration. Also, as I said before, go along with supporting documents in case such thing, arise, so you can avoid any issues. The second document I will encourage you to go along with is your financial or account statement or proof of income, how you are getting your income, how the money is coming and how the money is going. It does not really necessary that you will have 20 million or $20,000 in your bank account that you are not using, because the money that is in your account, you are using it for to run your business, for example, or to run your family, or to do what you are doing. You don't just expect that money will just be there because you are having an interview at the embassy. You will not be doing your normal business. But the way the money is coming, you are receiving salary, for example. The month your salary is coming in is very important to them. You know that that month you receive such amount of money, and you must be spending your money because you have a family, so you are running your family. So what's important is the proof that you are working and this amount of money is what you are receiving, because you must attach and support it with your pay slip, how much you are receiving, or if there's any other source of income where you are getting money. For example, you have properties, you have a house where you are renting apartments or you rent to other people. You have to back them up to prove to them that this is what you are holding in your country, that will make you that when you travel, that you are sure to return back to your country after your intending stay in America. So if you're also going for a visit visa, it's very important that you present to them your leave letter. The company have to write a letter to you supporting you, especially if it is the company that is sponsoring you or part of the your sponsor who is sponsoring you to go on a vacation or to go and represent them in a conference or anything that they are sending you to go. They must back it up with letters to support you. It is very, very important to them. Do not forget to go with your passport. Many people have forget to go with their passport because they brought it out before leaving their home. They forgot it on their table. So don't make that mistake, and make sure that your passport, the validity of your passport is 6 months before your intending travel date, and make sure that you have a space, there's a page where they can put their visa stamp on it. Cross-check all these things. Make sure that they are intact. You may not see them as very important, but it's very, very important to them. Small thing and little thing can make you forget something, or you cannot remember to pick up one thing, or you go that place, you make mistake. Remember, as I said before, do not try to prove anything to them, because those people are professional. They are well trained. Always wait for them to ask you question, any document they need. You bring it to them. Do not begin to bring out document to prove to them that I have this one, I have this one, I have this one. No. Because the moment you are doing this and they are monitoring, you know that you are so desperate, and they know that this is a red flag. So relax your mind and wait for anything that they ask you. You just give it to them. Just arrange the whole documents and make them complete. Go to an interview, settle down, relax your mind, and take the questions one after the other as it comes. When you present and do all these things, you will get your visa approved. Thank you very much, and please join us on our next video. God bless you.